How do I establish business credibility? Well, let me tell you, the perception that lenders, creditors, vendors have of you is going to make all the difference in the world when it comes to business lines of credit. Okay. The first thing they're going to, and now you guys might want to take copious notes on this one because I'm going to be going over some things that will absolutely help you attain that business credit. All right. So the first thing they'll be looking at is your business name. Okay, that's why it's so important to make sure that your business name is all on your bank statements. I'm talking about the exact full legal business name. Okay, make sure it's on all your corporation papers. Make sure that it's on every license. Okay, and all the bank statements. Okay, so because that's going to be very, very important. Does it matter the entity that you choose? You know what? Business credit can actually be obtained with almost any entity. Okay, uh, make sure that you're not a sole proprietor. All right, because or an LLP, because that's going to be pretty much difficult to get as much business credit lines when you're in those two. Okay, because if you really want to separate your personal credit from your business credit, you're gonna have to be a legal entity, a separate legal entity. Okay, that means you got to be either a corporation or an LLC. Okay, all right. So when you're building the business credit, that's actually going to be very, very important. Do you have to have a tax ID number? Absolutely. You got to have a federal tax ID number, and you'll actually get this when you're obtaining your business. So, your federal tax ID number, just like you have a social security number, your business has a federal tax ID number. Remember, we went over that? That's the EIN. That's the employer identification number. So you're going to want to have that and make sure that that number is the same across all agencies, across all your banks, across all of your bills that come in, the electrical bill or whatever bill that comes in that is in your business name. Make sure they have that exact tax ID number. Okay, you'd be surprised at the number of times that they have not had the exact federal tax ID number, and that's caused some issues, which we've ended up getting resolved. Okay, so it's really not a big deal, but make sure that you learn from others and just have that federal tax ID number across the board on all of them so that you run into no issues. Okay, okay. Well, let's talk about the phone number. Okay, the phone number, you gotta have a dedicated business phone number. Okay, I'm sorry, it can't be a cell phone. All right, can't be a home phone. All right, can't be a Google number. Is anybody sad about that? I was sad about that. I mean, Google is so useful. The Google number, man, it rings across your email, and everything. But nope. If you're going to be getting financing with the lenders, make sure that it's a dedicated business phone number, and we can help you out with that. All right. Um, if you want, and actually, it's pretty much a necessity. Contact your city, state, local, or even county governments to make sure that you don't need any business licenses. If you do need a business license, go ahead and get one. Okay, that's going to be very, very important. All right, so make sure as well. All right, getting off of that, the business license onto this. Have you ever heard of 411? Yeah, 411. You gotta have that business phone number in your 411, your local 411 directory. Okay, absolutely. You gotta have that because the lenders are going to be looking at that for credibility purposes. Okay, listen, you gotta understand these lenders, 50% of the applications that come through wanting business credit, 50% are frauds. Okay, so what they're looking for and why they're using this old school system of 411 directory is they're looking for an organic reach. You know, they're looking for something that they can go back on. Okay, that has been time tested for credibility purposes on all these companies. Okay, so the 411 directory assistance, you're going to have that business phone number in with them. Okay, so that you can get the funding that you need. Now, of course, there are some more. We're going to be going over business credit reports tomorrow. And boy, if you definitely want to like or subscribe to the channel, these are the things of the business credibility. This is what you'll need. Okay, this is just step one. We'll be going over step two, which is business credit reports, tomorrow. All right. So if you need me to repeat whatever I said, the good thing about this is you can go ahead and rewind. Okay, and make sure you take those notes down. Then you do it, and then just watch your business credit go up, up, and up. All right. What we want to do is get you started in business credit and grow that business credit. If you need help, reach out to me. All right, ConnorJWallace@gmail.com or CJ@CJWallacePro.com. Listen, I'm here to help. All right. God bless. You take care.